of dolphins here somewhere. Here they come. Here they come. Oh. Can't see them. I won't be going up the front to capture this. Pardon? I can't see it. Oh yes, they are. Oh, just going up to see them without getting soaked. There they go. As you can see, it's a little bit rough at the moment. There they are again. They're just cruising around the nose. Whoa! There goes one. Where's your mates? They're either side of the nose. Hey! One. They're all over the place. Whoa. Oh, you buggers! Now I'm getting wet. I think I'll have to go back.